I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. Maybe you just got a new phone, an iPhone 15 perhaps, an iPhone 15 Pro, or maybe you're just looking for a new case for your iPhone 12, 13, 14, so on and so forth. As always, I look for cases and case manufacturers out there that offer high quality cases with great protection. And today I'm going to show you two brands that are great cases. They offer a little bit extra protection and they're pretty similar to other cases, but they have one extra feature. Right here we have the AXS or Access or accessories, whatever way you want to describe them. They are a brand of cases that are made for your usage. They feature a beautiful looking case here, as you can see, that has the D30 protection inside. The other case that we're going to look at is the one from Casemate. It's got a very similar design and style that you're used to seeing with many other manufacturers of cases. And of course, like the AXS one or the Access one, this also features the D30 protection. The AXS Crystal Shield case is a beautiful case. It's nice and slim and sleek. As you can see, it's got this beautiful coloring in the back where it goes from clear to a little bit more darker. It'll make your iPhone just stand out and pop. And of course, it's got the MagSafe here in the back, so you can easily use MagSafe accessories. Also, what really stands out for me is the fact that this can handle an 8-foot drop. So you can drop it and 8 feet and your phone should be just fine. Switching gears, let's look at the Casemate Ultra Tough iPhone case. This is for the iPhone 15. As you'll notice, it's got an elevated back camera plate. It's got an elevated piece back here, and it's got that MagSafe area so you can easily wirelessly charge it. Now, with all that, it also gives you 16-foot drop protection. That is crazy, 16 feet, and that's because of that D30 technology. And it doesn't sacrifice on size. As you can see, it's not much thicker than most cases on the market. With built-in antimicrobial protection, that means you're gonna be able to not have to clean this as often as other cases. So it stays a little bit cleaner and a little bit easier for you to hold on to, especially in those dirty situations. Of course, that D30 technology is the same technology that you find in military equipment, in sports helmets, like football helmets, as well in bike helmets. And it means that if you're going to drop this, it's going to be really, really strong and really protected. The packaging also is well thought out, printed on a soy ink material. That means it's a little bit better for the environment, and it is fully degradable and recyclable. Regardless if you choose Casemate or AXS Access accessories, you are going to get great quality manufactured products that are sure to last. With their limited lifetime warranty, you are not going to invest in a product that's going to go bad really quickly or that you're going to need to replace right away. And of course, they have that D30 protection built right in. As you can see, D30 protection adds an extra layer that not every case on the market is going to have. I will put a full description below, and you can see if these are the right cases for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.